guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see with the title of this video, today we'll be doing a wig installation. I got this hair from Young a while back. It's a 20-inch weave and I love it because it's great quality hair. I know right now it's looking crazy, but we're gonna fix that in a moment. So what I love mostly about this hair is that it doesn't shade nor tangle. It's easy to work with, so yeah. Also, it's got adjustable straps at the back so you can tie your hair and it can be secured throughout the day. Oh my goodness, I really love this hair and it's easy to style, guys. So the next step is we're gonna take the blow dryer and blow dry the hair in the backward direction. I'm doing this so that I can easily work with my frontal. I don't want any hairs disturbing me when I'm laying my frontal. So right now I'm lifting the hair and pushing it a little backwards, and then I'm gonna apply my got2b glue. For those who might be interested, I got this glue from Clicks a while back. I like it because it lasts. Honestly, it lasts. And yeah, I've had that bottle for months now. I still have it even today. So yeah. You want to carefully lift the hair and place it on top of the glue. You have to be very careful with this step because it can either make or break your installation. So that's what we're doing there. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And then I'm gonna take my hair dryer and melt the lace. Be careful, guys. When the glue is exposed to heat, it gets a little painful, but what can you say? Beauty is pain. Okay, I'm done with that, and then the next step is to style my wig. So I decided to open the middle part, and yeah, guys, this hair is easy to style and it doesn't tangle at all. Oh, look at that, honey. I can literally go out looking like this. So what do you all think? Okay, so I'm gonna take a tiny piece of the hair and then we're gonna lay them edges. Yes. So that's what you see me do. Alright, so like right now I'm gonna take my scissor and cut a little bit of the hair because it was quite long. Cut it. Yes, cut it, baby, cut it. Okay, so like if you did maths, you know that what you do on your left side, you must also do on your right side. So I'm doing the same thing on my right side. I'm gonna take my got2b glue and then I'm gonna spray that on my hair, on my artificial hairline. Yeah, it's an artificial hairline now. So I'm gonna spray that. That's gonna make my wig look a bit natural and, you know, yeah. Okay, we're doing that, and then I'm gonna take my comb and comb everything out. That's it, mommy. So like yeah, it's looking pretty, it's looking good. And then we have to blow dry it. Okay, so like now we're doing the right side, we're doing the other side, and then combing everything out using the blow dryer. Okay, that hurts. Okay, sharp, it hurts sharp. Okay, so like for my edges I'll be using my olive mousse. Yes, I also got it from Clicks for those who might be interested, but I don't think it was pricey, this one, but I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna lay them edges using that old toothbrush. Yes. Okay. That side looks good already. Oh my goodness. It looks good. Can you see that? Oh my word. Is this me? Is it me? Okay, so like we're gonna section the hair into two. We're basically straightening the hair. That's what we're doing. 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 Oh, that's what we're doing. Oh my god. Okay, I can sing. It's fine. Andy Sinclair and Sababi Dimilo. Wamuhle uyindani yamanzi wamuhle uyindani yamanzi yamanzi aibo yamanzi yamanzi uyindani yamanzi imi gelo imi Dimi gelo do do oh. guys, let me tell you, the whole point wasn't to bond straight the hair. It was just to straighten the hair. I'm sure you know the difference. So like, I just did it for my hair to look decent, not bond straight. Yeah. Okay, so like now I'm gonna use my serum. I got the serum from Discam. It was on sale. I got it last year, I remember. Yo, it's really good because it makes my hair straight and shiny and less frizzy and you know, all of that good stuff. Ah, look at that. It looks good. My hair looks good. I know. So like, I'm just combing everything out. Oh god. The difference is visible. I don't even need to talk too much. That's good. Okay, honey. So I am a neighbor, my neighbor. I think that's what I was singing. Guys, if like you check both sides, I'm pretty sure you can notice the difference. I'm pretty sure you can notice the difference. You see the difference is visible. I will she I she I will I see la maniba. I am Nanda maniba. I allow ya maniba. I don't even know the lyrics. Hi. Okay, so like right now we're doing the other side. We're doing the other side. Okay, y'all, I'm done with straightening and then I'm gonna apply my serum. Already. Guys. No, I did not do that. No. No. Is it me? Like, what? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that delicate stuff, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.